Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Christmas Olaf, so let's get started. To draw this super cute snowman, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it really close and draw another one. There, so there are two big circles. Let's come back inside towards this inner corner right here. We're going to start and draw another circle right about here. And then I'm going to come to the top right here with a smaller circle for highlight and shade everything else in. Lots of circle practices today, right? Practicing. And then same thing over here. There. And now that we have that, I'm going to actually come back to the top right here and just make this a little bit thicker, just so that we anchor Olaf's eyes a little bit more. So just the top curve, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. There. And then from there, I'm going to come to the top of the eyes, and on each side, I'm going to come by right here and just slant a curve and thicken it up. Same thing over here for his brow. So just kind of slants down. Then in between his eyes, we need to put his carrot nose. So I'm going to come right here in between, draw a curve, and I'm going to extend this curve down to about right there. I'm going to round this part off, and then I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to go up, and about right here, just round it off. There. And then let's see here. Now let's give him a big happy smile. So kind of like right underneath, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point just so I know where I'm going. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just start right where the eyes are. And I'm going to go ahead, draw a big curve all the way across, right underneath his nose to the other eye. About right there. Oops, now I'm making a mess. Oh no. Okay, now that looks weird. So let's come back here with my whiteout pen. I don't want him looking like that. Okay, much better. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to cap this off. Cap off his smile. Same thing over here. Of a curve, and then we're going to widen this smile. So let's bring this down on both sides. Nice big happy smile. And to about right here, we're going to round it off and connect. There. And then in the center, we're going to draw his big one buck tooth. So right about here and here, just center it, round off the corner, and then connect for his tooth. Then right underneath right here, just add a soft little curve. Then now let's go ahead and we need to start to frame his face. So I'm going to come to the top of his eye, come to about right here, right next to it here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. Same thing over here. And I'll stop about right there because around this part right here, we need to draw his cheek. So I'm going to come about right here and just curve this part out. Same thing here. Curve this part out, and whatever space you have, just connect it. And then let's bring this down. We're going to finish off his face. So just bring it all the way down to say about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to go ahead and connect. So same thing here, just bring it in and just kind of straighten it out towards the bottom. There. Such a happy Olaf, right? Always brings a smile. There. Then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more towards the brow. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and connect it. Basically right over the brows. Connect it with a curve so that we can start with his Santa hat. Then let's come back over here and we're just going to wobble our way up. And same thing here. Just wobble your way up and then come up to the top and just wobble all the way across. Then to draw his hat, I'm going to come over here, go up, and then same thing here. And let's bring this up to the peak, the center, about right there, and then bring it down. And just to simplify it, let's just tuck it right here. I'm just going to add a little poof ball right in this area. There. Okay, so Olaf has his hat. Then from there, let's go ahead and we need to draw his body. So I'm going to center his body. So let's come about right here. We're going to give him a scarf first. So come right here. We're just going to wobble, just like the hat. And here, wobble and connect with a curve. And then one section of his body, we're just going to come down, a curve, and then connect. And then the bigger section, we're going to come out and bring it in. And to about right there, go ahead and connect. There. So then let's find our center and say about right here. I'm just going to draw a straight line down. I'm going to come out to right here, slant it a little bit just to make it extra cute. And then we're going to round it off for his feet and connect. So same thing here. And in and connect. There. And then for some more detail, let's come right here on this scarf. We're just going to add 2 bands, 2 stripes, I mean. And then of course in the center, I'm going to add a wobbly rock heart because I needed to put a heart somewhere. And then we're going to put 2 wobbly circles right here, right in the center. There. And then let's give him the ends to his scarf, the tail. So I'm going to come right here, just right next to his body. Bring this down, connect, make another layer, and then little ends to it. And same thing here. There. And we can add some stripes here, just for some detail. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his hand. So his hands would be right here. So it's being covered by the scarf. So I'm just going to come out. And I'm purposely kind of wobbling because it is a stick, right? So it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. So we're just giving this a little angle. And then right here, let's give him a little finger and 3 fingers. The thumb and then the finger right there. And then on this side, right, coming from here, just like the other side, we're going to come out. And so this side is going to be holding a present, a gift. So just like the other side, but right here, we're going to go up. And let's wobble a thumb. And then we're going to put in the base, so straighten it out. And then just connect it so that we can put a present right in this spot. Little square, and I'll just well, you know what, why don't we put a heart right here, even though we have that. And then put a bow, however you want to decorate it. Let's connect this heart right here just to make it extra fancy. And that is pretty much it for this hopefully very happy drawing here of Olaf to celebrate the holidays. I really hope you love this and that brings a smile to your day. And if I helped you draw this fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.